Assalamualaikum Piara Huzur.
Waalaikumsalam. Yes.
My name is Hafiz Ahmad.
Yes.
Before this pandemic, Huzur have traveled to several countries like USA, Canada, Japan, and Australia and Singapore. My question is, Huzur, what do you usually do on the plane during your traveling?
See, if it is a long journey travel, then I sleep and then I read, and then it all depends on the condition of the travel. If it is 5-6 hours travel, then I take some rest and then do some reading as well. And then if it is prayer time, then some time is spent on the prayers, and then that's all. Even I don't get much time to talk to my wife when I am at home, so sometime while traveling, then we also discuss some other matters, right? Okay. Next.
Jazakallah.
Yes, last. Now it is the last question.